Let's draw Hello Kitty in an ice cream cone. First, a cute little kitty face with large round eyes and whiskers on each place. Add a perfect red bow upon her ear and floating hearts. Ooh. Let's draw Hello Kitty with Fine Art Drawing Academy. Like this video if you love it. Let's draw Hello Kitty in an ice cream cone. So easy to draw, try it now. With Fine Art Drawing Academy. Fine Art Drawing Academy. Let's draw Hello Kitty